Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the Grace Digital 3Play. This is a Bluetooth audio receiver, and this actually allows 3 Bluetooth devices to be connected to this simultaneously. So normally with a Bluetooth receiver, you need to connect one device at a time. If you wanted to connect your iPhone and iPad, and then someone comes over with their iPhone, you want to connect to the same speaker using this Bluetooth receiver, one of you would have to disconnect before the next device would be able to connect and start playing music through the speaker. This eliminates that problem, and I'm going to show it to you in just a second. Here's what's included. First of all, here is the Bluetooth receiver. It's very lightweight. It's only about 1.4 ounces, and it's very compact in size. It measures about 2¼ inches in length and just about 2 inches wide. On the front are 3 indicators. These are LED indicators to show you how many devices are currently paired to the receiver. And then on the back side you have the micro USB charging port in order to charge the 600 milliamp lithium-ion battery that's inside. And it'll take about 2.5 hours to charge this initially if it's completely dead, but it's going to provide you 10 hours plus of playing time, so that's really fantastic. Now, if your audio system uses a 3.5 millimeter, then you can use the provided 3.5 millimeter audio cable for the output. If you have RCA inputs on your stereo, then you can just get an adapter and use the 3.5 millimeter to RCA. And this will also give you a Toslink output. So if you have Toslink input on your stereo, you can use a Toslink cable, which is not provided. Now, they give you an AC adapter. This is 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, so this can be used internationally. And then the USB cable. I did not, unfortunately, get the audio cable. It was missing in my package. Hopefully your package will have the audio cable, but it's simply a 3.5 millimeter male-to-male audio cable. Now this turns on by a simple single press of the button on the top. It's a multifunction button. So right now that just blinks to let you know that it's on. To turn it off, you press and hold it, and then eventually it'll just turn itself off. And then once it's on, you press it twice, and then you get the red and blue alternating buttons to show you that it is in pairing mode. So now I go over to my iPhone, and I see this shows up here as the 3Play Jambadoo. So I'm going to pair this device. And I've also got my iPad here. So I am simply going to wait till my iPhone is done pairing. Okay, it's paired because now I have one indicator on the front here. I double press the button again to get it into pairing mode once again. And I do see the 3Play Jambadoo on my iPad, so I'm going to select that and pair that. And while that's pairing, okay, I see it's now paired because 2 lights are on there. Now I'll go over here to my Nexus tablet, go into my settings, go into my Bluetooth, and push this twice to get it into pairing mode again. 3Play Jambadoo, select it to pair. Alright, I have 3 devices connected to the receiver now. Now I have a Bluetooth speaker here, but I'm going to use the auxiliary in feature of the speaker and connect my 3.5 millimeter audio cable to the speaker and to the receiver. And first thing I'll do is go over to my iPhone here, and I have a song queued up. Now I'm playing music through the receiver into the speaker from my iPhone. Now let's say that all of a sudden I want to start playing something off my iPad. Well, all I have to do is start playing the iPad, and that's going to start playing the music from the iPad. It automatically hands it over to the iPad. And then my other buddy comes over. He's got his Nexus 7 connected to the receiver. He wants to hear something from his, so he just starts playing his Nexus, which is also paired, and it handshakes to that. So that's how cool it is. Now, to be honest, I do have some issues with when I have 3 devices simultaneously connected. Sometimes there's a little bit of breakup with the Bluetooth until it stabilizes. I'm not sure what that's all about. but I think you could hear there in the beginning when the Nexus was starting to play, there was a little breakup of the sound. So now I will go back to my iPhone, select the song. You can hear it breaking up a little bit there, but it does stabilize after about 5 seconds. And I go back to my iPad and do the same thing. So it does take a few seconds before that new connection stabilizes, but once it stabilizes, it's great. So that's it. I think it's a completely cool device. It lets you have 3 Bluetooth connections simultaneous, and you don't have to disconnect the one device before the next device can start playing music. Very, very cool little thing, and it's got 10 hours plus of playing time. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and have a great day.